hello. Would you like some more worship dance moves to add to your choreography? We're going to go over some more. Coming right up. Hi, I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is Worship Dance Tips and Techniques, where I go over all kinds of movement ideas, choreography technique, dance concepts, dance composition, word studies, all kinds of things to help you as the worship dancer to grow in your call to dance before the Lord. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button down below so we can let you know when new videos come out, and see the description box below for links to the online school, to more resources that will be helpful for you. Also, take a look at the cards that will flash above my head or the end screen to see even more videos and more movement ideas. So let's get right to the video. In this video, we're going to continue in a series that I've been teaching. This is part 3 in the series, and I hope you find it helpful. I'll be going over some steps and breaking it down step by step. Some worship dance moves that you can add to your choreography, but this is from a dance that I taught during a graduation conference. It's graduation from the online school, and break the steps down step by step, and you'll see some clips. We had a very, very short time to learn the dance, but let's get right to it. We're going to do the second verse now. And it's similar to the first, but then we add on some interesting things. It starts out the same as what we did before, where it's closer than so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you turn around and face back, 5, 6, and this time you stay facing back, open the arms on 7, 8. Now notice my back is to the audience, so I'm facing back. So this is 7, 8. Now you take your right hand and you reach over to the left, draw it across your body, open that, and then the left hand follows it and it crosses on the right hand, and then it slides open as you turn around to your left, and then you open up and you're like a cross. So let me do that same thing again with my back to you. So you're the audience. Just pretend that I'm facing back now. Okay, so 7, 8. You reach your right hand across. It's as if you're clapping, but you don't. And you draw your right hand on your left, then across the top of your chest and reach out. Meanwhile, the left hand curls in and follows that all the way over to the other side. And then it opens to the front. The right hand drags across the left, open across your chest to face front. Okay, so now I'm facing front. I was just trying to show it to you with my back to you, just so you can see which hand goes where. So now, the same time that that's happening, it says closer than the skin on my bones. So this is representing the skin on my bones, right? But also the flags are going to represent the skin on their bones. So the second part of the second verse. So you went closer than the skin on my bones. Okay, then it goes closer than the up, and this time you do continue around that same curve like we learned earlier. Ouch. And then it goes song on my tongue, right? Now the song on my tongue, the 4 people are kind of in a square with their backs to each other, And they're all, one person's facing this corner, one person's facing that corner, one person's facing that corner, and so on. So one person faces each corner doing the song. Meanwhile, their respective flag person also did closer than the turn around, they do the curve, and then they stand in front of their person and they're doing like this with the flags. So it's as if the flags are the song of their tongues. People are doing this, flags are doing this, right? If that makes sense. So let's try that with closer than the, turn around, face back, open the arms, skin on my bones. Try to do 2 revelations around, not just 1. And then closer than the, and then turn around, face back, song on my tongue. Twist around and song on my tongue motion. Meanwhile, the flags are running around getting to their place. Closer than the, open, skin on my, flags run around, bones, and it opened. And then closer than the, face back, get ready for song on my tongue. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you found the worship dance moves helpful and that you can add them to your choreography. I hope to see you at a conference or in the online school sometime. God bless you.